Morning, hey look. Outfit of the day. It's actually late in the afternoon, but I just forgot to show you my outfit. I really like this all creamy outfit. I have my H&M sweater, and then underneath I have my trusty Uniqlo heat tech, which keeps me warm on this really cold winter day. And this beautiful shearling jacket is from Tory Burch. I have my Uniqlo joggers as well as my boot today booties, and my favorite part is this bag that my aunt gave me. She like basically hand crocheted it using this really thick wool yarn. It is so beautiful. I already got a couple compliments when I went out and run errands in the morning, literally the first day taking it out. So I know that this is going to be a hit, and because I love these ivory creamy colors so much, I think it'll just go really well with my wardrobe. For jewelry, I'm wearing this pearl chain blend necklace. Hazel, what is this? Did you disassemble the cat's lovely toy? Stop eating. I have collected a huge pile of boxes. Most of these are my purchases over Black Friday weekend because I was away from home for 3 weeks. So I came home to look at all of these boxes. I'm just gonna start with stuff that I've already unboxed. So I got this Pharmacy Spring Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It has a really refreshing scent, but not too strong, so I love that about it. And it also comes with a spatula to help you apply the product. I also got something from Glossier over Black Friday, and as usual, everything comes in this really nice kind of cushiony pouch, which is great for traveling. And both of the items are repurchases. So starting from the Milky Jelly cleanser, I've used this pretty much all throughout last year. I didn't use it this year because I just had other products to go through. I kept wanting to get the Milky Jelly cleanser back because it just feels so gentle, and it's the perfect cleanser for the morning when I don't really want too abrasive of a cleansing product, and I love the packaging as well. This next one is the Glossier You perfume, which comes in this really cool box, and I've gotten their solid version of the perfume, but I realized that my solid perfume just dried out over time, so I figured, oh, I'll just go back to the liquid version. I've always loved the Glossier You scent. If you've never smelled it, it's like vanilla-y, warm, like with a bit of spice. Reminds me of the best, coziest, relaxing winter night. But it also works as an all year round perfume, but for me, I associate this perfume with colder months. Next up is from Thinx. They are a period underwear brand, which I've actually done a dedicated video probably 2 years ago, maybe 2.5 years ago now, reviewing their products, and I've never gone back to my pads, which I used to use during my period. So I decided to restock. It just looks like normal underwear, but the fabric inside really absorbs your flow. This is the style that I already have. I love the mesh material. This one feels like a jersey material. Let's start with another small one. Oh, I got jewelry. Oh yeah, I got jewelry. I completely forgot. This is from the Etsy shop Caitlin Minimalist, and they always have the cutest gift wrapping. Everything also comes in this cute little jewelry pouch inside a plastic pouch. Look how beautiful this ring is. I love the daintiness of this ring. Okay, we are back inside the bag. Oh, multiple. Oh wait, this is what I got from AliExpress. Oh my god, wow, so much packaging. And oh no, I literally just assembled the whole thing and then I dropped it. Look at this. It's a candle carousel that took me probably 5 minutes to put together, but this looks just like, if not better than, the diptyque version. And you can put any candle underneath, any size, as long as it fit on this little tray. And then you can put your other trinkets on it. It is so adorable. I also got a different pattern. Little Christmas trees. I'm so excited. A bright green phone case that I thought would be perfect for the holiday season as well, but also like this neon green. I mean, you know I'm obsessed with green. The 7 Moons of Mali Almeida. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is my book club's pick for this month, so I'm excited to dive in. Oh, I love the smell of paper books. Like, I don't like reading paper books, but once in a while, it smells so nostalgic. I used to read a lot when I was really little and I stopped reading altogether, but this year I'm really picking up my book reading. Oh, so cute. Love these cute gift packaging from Etsy. A solid gold bracelet, so dainty, but I love the sparkle it adds to my wrist. Yay! Perfect. I completely forgot that I got these Etsy jewelry, so now it feels like Christmas came early for me. There is another Amazon package. This might be boring though. It is a skincare product. I'm going to try and implement a vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night skincare routine. It's really popular in China and in, I think, a lot of Asian countries. I'm not 100% sure. Apparently it's really affordable and it does the job, because all you need is injecting vitamin C to your skin in the morning to help build up that skin protection barrier. I'm going to try out this skincare routine and then I'll report back in a future video on if that works on my skin. This is from the brand Kinship, and I love this pouch that came with the purchase. I bought this from Supergrey, which I've talked about a couple of times on my channel now, and I am a host on Supergrey, so if you want to learn about or see my reviews of skincare and makeup products, check that out. But Kingfield, well, did I say Kinship? It's Kinfield, I'm sorry, because Kinship is another brand that I discovered from Supergrey, but this is called Kinfield, and I got their Sun Glow sunscreen. It's illuminating sunscreen lotion with SPF 30. Remember to use your sunscreen every day. I got Giorgio Armani little set. It's the Lip Maestro, their famous lip product. And I also got, they were running some crazy like gift with purchase, so I got the this Lip Maestro for free, I believe. I gotta like double check my receipt, but I'm pretty sure I got this little guy for free, which is a full-size Lip Maestro. I'm so excited. I got a few packages from Giorgio Armani, so I'm going to do a Lip Maestro swatch in one of the videos this month. Also got the Luminous Silk foundation. Never tried it out, but only heard amazing things about this foundation, so might give that a try. I believe I got multiple shades and I placed multiple orders because then I can get a free lip maestro with each order. One of these perfumes was also a gift with purchase. Ocean the Giorgio. This guy is free. Whoa! It is also a full-size perfume. Oh, it's really refreshing. This is a great like summer scent. And the packaging is really beautiful as well. Oh my god. I got so many free lip maestros. This is another shade, 109. And then got another shade, 205. It is their My Way kit, which again is great for gift giving. This is another full-size perfume that I got for free from purchase. I mean, how unbelievable is that? A really warming scent is so perfect for the winter time. This I think is from Tory Burch. Got this pair of tweed little block heels. I'm going to definitely style them in one of the styling videos. I just love the tweed material. Biker shorts, I already have a red pair, so I thought I would get another pair. This is from Vivaya. They sent me 2 more pairs of shoes. I've worked with them multiple times now, so I'm going to unbox these shoes in another video. Okay, lots of, wait, literally, is this all just, what's in this? Wait a second. Oh, this is for me to ship back my work laptop. I was like, who sent me a box of just wraps? Alright, well, that's a slightly disappointing ending to today's unboxing. Look at this. It's gonna take a while to clean up. By the way, you've been sitting on this huge box, and it is everything I bought from Mango Outlet. Lego Advent Calendar. Okay, how do we do this? Hello, Pata.